ABC 23 News Center, centered on you.
Good evening, and thanks for joining us tonight on ABC 23 News Center. I'm Chantel Calhoun. We begin tonight with school district leaders in our region saying multiple adolescents committing suicide is bringing awareness to a mental health crisis. This and more from our Stoker Weiserick, who heard from them, as well as mental health experts. He is live now. Stoker, they say one person deciding to take their own life will make it more likely for others to do the same. What exactly does this mean?
Well, Chantel, experts say a risk known as suicide contagion can affect people with even the slightest of relationships. They say it could have played a factor in what happened for the two students at the Tussey Mountain School District.
So definitely they're on the rise. Between 10 and 24, we had 6,500 in 2022.
Clinical social worker Adam Kleinman says this year has seen the highest number of suicides in the history of our region. In a recent case, leaders of the Tussey Mountain School District say 2 students committed suicide. Kleinman says this is why it's important to check in on someone who displays the following signs.
Look for those red flags of social alienation. Also, isolation's big. It's a good idea to make sure that they have access to mental health services if need be.
Kleinman says being proactive by talking to the person and getting them help as soon as possible is crucial.
With this age range, I think it's really good that virtual treatment's available. So if they can't get in office, online is fine. Virtual therapy is good too. Evidence that I'm seeing says it's just as effective, if not more effective in some cases, than traditional in-office therapy.
Leaders of the Tussey Mountain School District say they decided to partner with multiple organizations to tackle this issue head on. They say in a statement, quote, "The suicide contagion effect or clustering is unfortunately pronounced among adolescents and young adults. Our school district is very thankful for the support it received from collaborating organizations." The Tussey Mountain School District says they will continue to provide support to the community, staff, and students to combat this mental health crisis. Experts say if you or a loved one are experiencing thoughts of suicide or self-harm, to please contact the National Suicide Hotline at 988. Reporting live in the studio, Stoker Weiserick, ABC 23.